Transforming your mindset in a week. Practical strategies for quick results. Boosting your mindset can have a profound impact on various aspects of life, from personal growth to professional success. This essay provides a week-long plan with practical tips to help you transform your mindset, backed by recent data and evidence. Day 1. Embrace responsible gaming practices. Source: start by adopting responsible gaming habits. On August 25, the Arizona Lottery emphasized the importance of setting limits, understanding odds, and taking breaks to ensure a healthy approach to gaming. So what? By committing to responsible gaming, you'll foster discipline and self-control, two critical mindset traits. Day 2. Combat weight regain after dieting. Source: to avoid weight regain after dieting, consider maintaining a food diary, practicing portion control, and incorporating exercise into your routine. The Sun suggests 18 hacks for successful weight management. So what? Overcoming weight-related challenges builds resilience and self-confidence, essential elements of a positive mindset. Day 3. Cultivate gratitude. Practice gratitude daily by reflecting on 3 things you're thankful for each evening. This simple habit can improve your mood, increase positive emotions, and reduce stress levels, as reported in numerous studies. So what? By cultivating gratitude, you'll foster a more optimistic and resilient mindset. Day 4. Learn a new skill or hobby. Challenge yourself by learning a new skill or hobby. This could be anything from cooking to coding, painting, or gardening. The process of learning can boost your self-esteem, enhance focus, and stimulate brain function. So what? Achieving something new will instill a sense of accomplishment and confidence, further enhancing your mindset. Day 5. Practice mindfulness meditation. Incorporate mindfulness meditation into your daily routine for just 5 minutes each day. This practice can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase self-awareness, as supported by numerous scientific studies. So what? By cultivating mindfulness, you'll foster a more calm, focused, and aware mindset. Day 6. Set and achieve small goals. Set small, achievable goals each day to build momentum. This could be anything from reading a chapter of a book, completing a household task, or exercising for a certain amount of time. The act of setting and achieving goals can boost your self-efficacy and motivation. So what? By consistently setting and achieving small goals, you'll develop a growth mindset that embraces challenges and encourages continuous improvement. Day 7. Reflect and plan on the final day. Take time to reflect on your progress and plan for the future. Evaluate your successes, learn from your setbacks, and set new goals for continued personal growth. So what? By reflecting and planning, you'll foster a proactive and goal-oriented mindset that encourages continuous improvement.